The iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Canon EOS R6 Mark III represent two very different approaches to modern imaging. And they are often compared on YouTube because they overlap in what they can do, even though they are built for different users. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is Apple's flagship smartphone camera system, built around a 48-megapixel main sensor, computational photography, and the A18 Pro chip, which uses AI-driven processing like Smart HDR, Deep Fusion, and advanced tone mapping to produce highly polished, ready-to-share images and videos. Reviews consistently highlight its strengths in convenience, consistency, and video capability, especially for creators who want strong 4K footage with excellent stabilization, Dolby Vision HDR, and the ability to shoot, edit, and upload all from one device without extra gear. However, reviewers also note its limitations in natural depth of field, low light sensor size constraints compared to larger cameras, and less flexibility in zoom and lens options. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III, on the other hand, is a professional full-frame mirrorless camera designed for photographers and filmmakers who want maximum control and image quality. It features a much larger sensor than the iPhone, giving it a significant advantage in dynamic range, low light performance, and true optical depth of field. Recent reviews describe it as a high-performance hybrid camera, capable of extremely fast burst shooting, advanced autofocus tracking, and professional-level video features such as high-resolution recording, log profiles for color grading, and support for interchangeable RF lenses that dramatically expand creative possibilities. Users and reviewers often praise its ability to deliver cinematic-looking footage and highly detailed raw photos, especially in challenging lighting or fast-action environments like sports and wildlife. However, it comes with a steeper learning curve, higher cost once lenses are included, and a more complex workflow compared to the simplicity of a smartphone. In real-world use, YouTube reviewers frequently point out that the iPhone 16 Pro Max dominates for everyday content creation, travel, and social media due to its speed and convenience, while the Canon EOS R6 Mark III dominates in professional scenarios where image quality, lens choice, and manual control matter most. Many creators even use both together, relying on the iPhone for quick handheld clips and the Canon for high-end cinematic shots.